1903. Same inventory problems. Why are you still facing them today? In 1903, Ford Motor Company was rising fast. Cars were in demand. Production was growing. But behind the scenes, there was chaos. Raw materials were either overstocked or suddenly out of stock. Everything was tracked manually. No real time updates, no clear visibility. Workers waited, machines stopped, cost increased. A simple problem, but a massive impact. Here is the truth. That was 1903. But why are you still struggling the same way today? That was a past. But today, you don't have to struggle. Inventory problems don't come from lack of effort. They come from lack of visibility. With Chirix ERP, everything becomes clear. You can track your stock in real time, get instant alerts before items run out or overstock, automate updates, connect inventory with production for a smooth workflow. Start managing it the smart way with Chirix ERP.